Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to claim codes in Honkai Star Rail. If you are looking for a way to claim code on Honkai Star Rails, then this video is for you. The first thing to do is to launch open Honkai Star Rail application on your mobile device. Once you're inside, make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And from this main home page, go and tap on the mobile icon at the top left hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Tap on the three dots right next to your profile avatar at the top right, and then you'll be able to see two options. Select redemption code from the options, and then on the next page, enter your redemption code in the text box you'd like to claim. Enter it with the help of your keypad. After you are done entering the claim code, click on the confirm button and you have successfully redeemed or claimed your code on Honkai Star Rails. That is how you should be able to redeem your code successfully on Honkai Star Rails. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.